Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something definitely out of the norm, but it's something that I came across that I need to try out, and I'm all about doing things DIY. So I figured I would share this with you guys and see how it works out. So I came across this product right here. It's called Headlight Restore.us, and it's supposed to clean your headlights. I know mine are like really foggy looking, and this is supposed to make them crystal clear. So I'm gonna give them a try and see how it works, and I'm gonna kind of do a review and share with you guys how it works and show you exactly what I do and see if it actually makes my headlights look a lot better. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications, because I am posting a lot of new stuff, especially this time of year. I am actually diving right into my home decor and fall decorating and all of that fun stuff. So you don't want to miss my upcoming videos. So make sure you turn on that little bell notification, subscribe to my channel, and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started with this project. All right, so here's my car. Here are my headlights. I mean, can you see? Can you see they're kind of like foggy looking? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get rid of. I want them like crystal clear. They're not great looking. And here's the other one over here. Yeah, look at that. Look at how foggy that is. So we're gonna see if these Headlight Restore kit will work. So basically, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that they are cool. You don't want to do this right after using them. My car's actually been parked for a good hour or so, and it's been in the sun, so it's not hot, but it's not, you know, it's definitely good right now. So also another thing you want to make sure is you want to make sure that they are smooth. If they are rough or coarse feeling, it says to take like a light piece of sandpaper and kind of just sand them out a little bit. Mine are pretty smooth. It's just it feels like it's got like, I don't know, it just feels like there's some residue on there, but it's not like scratchy or rough. What we're gonna do is there are 3 little packets inside this box. We're gonna open these right up. And so these are the number 1. There should be 2 of them. 1 cleaning pad for each headlight. So we're going to clean each headlight, and then this is step 2. This is the restore. You use this 1 packet for both headlights. Another thing they suggest is you have some paper towels handy, because you're going to need the paper towels to kind of dry off the headlights before you apply the protective layer. Alright, so I've got 1 of the cleaning wipes, and I'm just gonna clean that. Actually looks better already. Alright, I'm gonna just dry this down after cleaning it. So it does say that after you dry the headlight with a paper towel, it will look slightly matte. So yeah, it definitely does look slightly matte. All right, next step is going to be to do the other side. So I made sure to do before and after pictures. So yeah, we're gonna do this side next, and then we will do the step 2, the protective layer. Add another paper towel. And we'll just dry this one down. Okay, so with this next step, you don't unfold the wipe. You just kind of go over Wow, that is hugely better. Let's do this side. I don't know if you guys can see this on film or on the camera, but this is like glass. It is so much clearer. I do have a few little scratches, I think, from bugs, but for the most part, it is like crystal clear. Wow. Like brand new headlights. So yeah, I would say that these wipes really work really well. Yeah, super impressed with this. Yeah, they look like brand new headlights. That's amazing. Now I do want to also mention that the instructions say not to touch the headlights for at least 30 minutes and to not wash your car for 24 hours. I have a car wash pass, so I will not be going and using my car wash pass for the next day or so, but I am so shocked at how good those headlights look. Amazing. So good. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, I am actually gonna do a giveaway. I have another one of these Headlight Restore kits, and I'm gonna do a giveaway for one of them, but I'm also going to put a discount code in the description of this video, so you're gonna get 10% off if you guys want to purchase these on your own. Just check out down below in the description and I will list that discount code for 10% off, and I will also let you guys know what I'm gonna do for a giveaway. So if you'd like to win one of these headlight repair kits, I'm gonna put the rules in the description below, and I'll be picking a winner randomly at the end of September, so make sure you check that out. Also, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you again real soon for the next video. Take care.